All right, go ahead.
Hello, girls. Today we are going to learn about saving money. Saving money over the course of your lifetime could amount to tens of thousands of dollars. Tens of thousands of dollars. A penny saved for many of us is a penny and a half earned because you don't pay income tax on what you save. For instance, when you spend $10 on a coffee, fancy coffee at a coffee drive-thru that you spent 30 minutes waiting to get, you're not spending $10, you're spending $15 because you had to pay income tax to have that $10 of consumer money to spend. So a penny saved is always a penny and a half earned. And if you're in a state that pays a lot of sales tax or our income tax, like Oregon, a penny saved is a penny and 3/4 earned because we have to pay so much more to have that money to spend. Today, this was an incredible invention. It's changed, what it conducts has changed the way life happens for 99% of the world. It's a unique product and very underrated. It's called the light switch. Okay, this is a light switch. It has two positions. 90% of lights are controlled by this little switch here. Boom. Boom. Okay, now if you look closely, you can't read yet. So, do you see where it says on and off? Is it upside down?
No.
No, you can see it. Right now it says off, correct?
Yes.
Okay, see that? Okay, watch this. What does it say now?
On.
Yes, yes. I want you to try. Try flipping that switch. See? You want to try it? You should. Okay. What this does is it stops the current of electricity to a light like this. And when that stops, the meter outside on the side of the house, which is spinning furiously, smoking actually from the bearings, it slows down. So you aren't just saving the bearings inside that glass box, that glass cube or round thing outside. You're actually slowing down the use of electricity. Now I know that probably the first thing that crosses your mind is, well, what if we slow it down so much that they have to lay off electrical company workers? And I appreciate that kind of benevolence and love for your fellow man. But do it anyway. It's right here.
You say you got money to buy that, I think.
That's genius. She's getting the concept. Yes, okay, so on, lights go on. Meter outside spins a little faster. Bearing smokes. Off. It slows down, it cools off. When the bill comes in that they send you, it might actually be less ink to print the bill because it doesn't have to go out so many digits. It like gets backed off maybe a whole digit, who knows? It could go from like 100 to 90. That would be one. What a savings. I mean, and it could be all in your hands. And it's right here. These things on the walls.
Wait, switch.
Anyway, that's it. That's the lesson.
Look.
Nothing else to it. Yes! She's getting it. Thank you. She's getting it. You know,